is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Now I've got something a little different today. I'm going to do another one of these today too. And then another one. This is from Indonesia by a company called Ciptarasa, and Ciptarasa is the focus of a Meet the Manufacturer series that I'm doing right now. This is their Dara Burung Kap Dara Mi Karing Pipi. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is just a straight noodle, and we're gonna marry it with this Ciptarasa Ayam Bawang. It's a seasoning. So they make the seasoning and they make the noodle, and I guess they make 30 different kinds of dry noodles without seasonings, which is pretty cool. But they sent this one and another one. The other one will be for mee goreng. But yeah, we're gonna dump this in the pot. And I hope I'm doing this right. I think I am. I like to follow directions. So that's gonna go. And we're also going to include, here, let that get down in there. And we're gonna also put this in there too. So we'll find out if I'm doing things right. I think I am. So it's 3 minutes for the noodle, and this is just basically a seasoning base. I'm gonna put all that in there. Now, Ayam Bawang is it just means onion chicken. So that is the focus of today, onions and chicken. So this should be interesting. This is the first time, it's kind of like a DIY thing. This is the first time I've done this with a Indonesian company. So this will be fun. If it comes out right, if I'm following the directions correctly. If I'm not, yeah. My main worry is that the way I'm doing it, it could end up that I'm just like doing it wrong, and the noodles are gonna suck up all the liquid, and it's gonna end up being just way too salty. Ooh, it wants to boil over. I'm not letting you boil over. No, sir. I think I'm doing it for the right amount of time. It looked like it said 2 to 3 minutes, so we shall see. And I'm gonna do 2 other ones today I'm excited about. I finally got the shrimp that I need. What I like are the 16 to 20 shrimp per pound. Those are big. I like to go with the really big shrimp. And they've got a black pepper seafood that's to frickin' die for. So this, you know, I told them that I was going to do this as part of their Meet the Manufacturer. Like, that's not an instant noodle. It doesn't have a seasoning. I'm like, well, you sent seasoning, so I can do that. It's different, but I'll do it. I've done it with other companies before. Why not? But I like people to be able to see all the stuff that's available in any way, shape, or form. So what's going on today? I get to go to the doctor. Woo! Should be cool. You're gonna ask me, how are you feeling? I'm sore. Oh, why are you sore? Today I did 6 miles before this. There's this bridge that, like, it looks like it just turns into like this little overlook of the trail, and I want to figure out how to get up there. I couldn't figure it out today. It's really weird because there's like an overpass and then kind of a tunnel that goes underneath it, and I'm walking, you know, I know going this way, but it goes in such a different direction that I can't tell when you go up and around and over it. It's like, this looks nothing like what I see on the other side of that. I don't see where you can like look down and see. Yeah, it's really hard to tell what's going on. So I don't think I got these cooking long enough. These do not look done to me. So I'll let them have a little bit more time on the boil. Let's see. I'll give them a try right now. Might be a chewier noodle. I don't know. I don't know a lot about these. I like this kind of thing. It's more of a discovery process. So Yeah, that doesn't look done to me. Mmm. They're not done yet, but that broth is on point. That's good. It's like onion chicken. It's good. As the name portends. So, I want to make sure this noodle is definitely done. It's a thicker noodle. It's also a noodle that's like, you know, if you have little crumbs of instant noodle after you've, like if you bust off a piece, you can crunch it up. Not with these. These are more like if you tried to like have uncooked spaghetti as a snack, you can't do that. You can. I guess there's some people who might be into doing that. Personally, I like to keep what teeth I have left. So, all right. I think that might be good. Let's try it now. Come on, you. Yeah, I like the gauge of this noodle. They're flat and broad. Whoa, I don't want that many. I just want a little bit. I just want... It wants me to have all the noodles. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give these just another minute boiling hard. Makes sense. Seems like it'd be like a 5-minute cook time. But yeah, did a bunch of walking, playing my game on my phone. Good stuff. Good stuff. And then when my son gets home on the bus, we gotta hop in the car and race over to my doctor's appointment. It's not very far away, but I don't want to be late and then have to reschedule. That would make my doctor very unhappy. I don't know what they're gonna do. I've never been to a pulmonologist before. Maybe they make me walk on that machine with the little tube in your mouth and go. That'd be fun. I've always wanted to do that. I don't know why, but that's always been like, I've always seen people doing that. It's like, wow, that's neat. Probably not a good reason you have to do that, but I don't know. Alright, come on, let's try it now. Okay. Alright, so I don't think all of this is gonna fit in the bowl that I picked, but we shall do what we can. Got a bowl with chickens on it. I thought that would be appropriate for the occasion. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some. Oh, I should use the massive fork I used yesterday. I think I'm gonna do that. There it is. The king of forks. Come on, you. I used it yesterday on a, what was it? It was a different kind of noodle. I think it was a, oh, what do you call it? A sweet potato thread. And it still didn't want to let me get it all with that. So, but these are much more happy to be picked up and moved around. There's the noodle. Come on, you. Let go. So as you can see, it's definitely a thicker than instant noodle. Let's see, can I get you in there? Yeah, there you go. Now we're going to use the ladle to add the broth. And the broth is really good. I'm digging on that. I'll get a spoonful of that in a moment. But it is very hot. But of course, as I always mention, as my mother would say, well, you don't want it cold. You wouldn't want it cold, would you? Like, no, I wouldn't. I guess this all could have fit in this bowl. I just didn't know if that was gonna work. Okay, well, let's try the broth straight. That's always the right thing to do. Some broth. That's yummy. Add some chicken. And we'll add some coriander. What else do I have here? Yeah, that sounds good. A little bit of lime. Now, we need something red. We need an offset. It's just too wrong without some pepper flake. And a little bit of seed, I think. And you know what else will go really well in this? I have fried onion, and I think that's a good pick for this. I've got a lot of it. Put some fried onion right on top like that. And a bit of scallion. Like that. And there you have it. This is the Dara and what do you call it? It's all these new names I gotta remember. The Dara and Ciptarasa from Suprema of Indonesia. Let's hit it. Well, cool. Thank you for watching. Yeah, this is part of a Meet the Manufacturer series, so you might be able to find that over at the website at the www.theramenraider.com right now. I don't know. It all depends on when it's released. Chances are it'll be released pretty soon. So look for Suprema, look for Best Walk, look for Dara. You'll find it on the website. Indonesian style. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.